了一个亚洲的东西来，没事要给大家吃。
So it was
老婆饼，老婆饼。
Oh no, Camilla's
Yeah, Camilla,
wife
yeah.
first. Okay, here you go, honey.
we went to a health
Medicine.
presentation. They invited us, and there was a doctor.
Oh, this is really good.
Oh,
Woohoo!
They going?
It's not very sweet. That's why.
who wants some? Who wants some, Nolan? That's right.
This doctor liked her because she was not selling anything. And it's like,
How'd you like it?
she's not selling
pretty good.
anything.
Wait a
She's like,
second.
supermarket.
That taste came out of nowhere.
It did.
It did. At first, it was like, am I gonna taste something? And then like,
The whole time I was like, this is a good texture.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste.
I was with
yeah,
inflammation.
it's a good texture. Then you're like, it's in the tank.
There it is.
So we
It's like
started.
buttery.
Yeah, very good.
My
And I
husband
love
is
butter.
What do you think, Nolan? What do you think, Ann?
It's good. It's good. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. This actually reached
Her
top two.
online. She explained
Top
to
two.
me how
That's
you
number
can
one.
do this green
Woohoo.
smoothie
It's just so unique.
This is number
This is
one.
number two.
A couple weeks
Because I love
after-
butter.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
下一个
sugar,
是
Husband
太阳。
Okay, here we go.
Well, I wanna learn how to do the with the
What's the
white.
difference between the two?
And
The filling.
It looks like the outside's different too.
Husband.
Yeah, yeah.
Go for it.
all of my symptoms with the change in my diet and a change in my lifestyle. And that's it. So I dedicate my life to help people living.
Can you tell the difference?
It's been about 3 going on 4 years.
Oh,
I haven't
absolutely.
I felt that one in a couple months.
They took the butter out.
So let me try it.
Let me try this one.
I mean, it's a big list because when we started with the changes, it's progressive. Make
It's the butter flavor, dude.
It's not
So you like the white better?
I like the white better.
You can't.
Why don't you give a piece
So
to
you
your
have to
wife?
start little by little.
Here,
We
honey.
There we go. Maybe it's the
changes and my
the
husband.
wife likes the husband cake better and the husband likes the wife cake. Maybe
Oh, maybe that
He could
works
have
like
been
that.
Maybe that's
more
the science. Let's see.
this,
And how
he
you like
bends
it?
completely. So he's like, I can't believe it.
Not as good,
So
but good.
But good.
he does drinks.
The first one's better.
No, have you tried it?
I like this one better.
When I was
Feeling inside.
Uh-huh.
I feel it affects more feeling. The other one.
drinking 64 ounces.
I like it more.
So it was 20 in the morning.
Dairy butter.
下一个是
First you sniff.
Oh, I've had this a
Wow,
bunch
man,
of times.
that's really
And
sweet.
the last thing you quit was coffee.
Yeah, this one's too sweet for me.
Like 4 cups. So he picked it up. So
Wow, what's the
we
filling?
went on vacation. And
Pineapple.
actually, we were watching a documentary.
Actually really good.
It's good. It's not as good as the other two, though.
And he quit
Alright.
that day and vacation he had a little headache.
It's good, though.
Or maybe a
Baby,
Chocolate cookies.
And then after
Matcha
you
chocolate?
wake up,
That is stuff.
things for the person and things like that.
okay, cheers.
I've had these for
And
like, oh, yeah.
his job, he works in just like 900 acres. They have a satellite facility.
Oh, that's
so he
good.
runs
If you like matcha, it's,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
there is
really
a lot
good.
of medicinal plants that I
Oh,
didn't
that's
know
the
were
matcha
medicinal.
coming
So they
in.
have something there.
Wow, Camilla likes matcha a lot.
I don't like
So, no, I didn't know what it was
You like
until I
it?
got stung by it.
That's
Yeah.
right.
It's so
And I
good.
told my husband, what is this? I went,
It's
oh,
very
this is
sweet, yeah.
spider or something.
Like sugar.
厚奶茶。
You can put them in the freezer too, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Really? Okay, good.
Make it more
Well,
crunchy.
that works.
Milk
Yeah,
tea?
yeah.
That's good.
It is interesting. I mean, you apply some things and see how it works, and you have to give your body the time to see
That's
how
good.
you feel. But yeah,
That's so
I
good.
just think
That's
fluids,
really
fluids
good.
for me. I mean, like
That tastes almost like
night.
Fruit Loops.
I mean,
What's on the
I don't
inside of
drink that
them?
much beer.
Milk
usually
tea,
Milk
like
tea.
cream.
Cream.
Does that
yeah.
not taste like Fruit Loops?
Yeah.
straight bourbons, and we've really weaned off ourselves off of that, right?
That might be number one now. It's like
Wow, it's a number one now. Better than the
Wow.
wifey one?
Holy
Always
cow.
about the same time.
It's,
about
well, no,
3
now
o'clock.
the husbandy one's number one.
Okay.
This is two, wifey three.
Wow.
All right, let me try the white
I
again.
have to go. I gotta go.
Hey, honestly, I mean, that's like on the line. Is this just straight
I
chocolate?
think in the freezer they're better, yeah.
Ooh, in the freezer, that would be
Yeah.
nice.
the more natural state the food is, the better, because your body's like, oh, I know, I can digest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean,
But if you have all
Which
the
one do you like better?
preservatives,
that's gotta be number
your body's
one.
like,
Wow.
So
What do I
good.
do?
Chocolate?
Chocolate?
It's
the
so good.
non-soluble, non-soluble.
I honestly would rate the milk tea above the chocolate one just because chocolate to me is like, there's
Normal?
just so much chocolate. It's normal. That one almost tastes like Fruit Loops. I mean, I really like this one,
Well,
but
it's good that you found it. And
let me
turned-
let me
I
cleanse the
turned you
palate.
around. So
Oh, absolutely. And now I, I told my
Let me
mom
cleanse the
after my
palate.
dad passed
Dude,
away, she
try
was
that
getting
again.
one.
This?
Yeah, you might rethink number
All my
one.
family
Let me
lives
cleanse
in
that 1 second.
I mean,
It's so good.
It's French fries with
No,
ketchup. That's
I
the
cannot
weird
even
part.
walk.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And they're probably better for you
you
than
know,
French fries.
I don't know. I don't know.
bugging her and bugging her.
You know
So
what?
She decided to come.
It's up there.
She stayed with us for 6 months. So she
Hard to
came
beat
with.
that.
I think I'm gonna still keep that number one.
she
Just
came
because of
with
the fact that
diabetes,
it's so shocking. You're like, oh, ketchup. Okay, whatever.
and she
Ian.
had-
And then you try it and you're like,
try
wow.
And then there's
She
gross.
had to
I
eat
felt
it
like-
all
There it goes.
because
Yeah,
otherwise
don't
she'd
worry.
go drop
Don't you
the
think so?
glucose level with
Okay.
They're chocolate.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Pocky,
Pocky.
So,
It's a good song.
I just had to let's try to first of all, and then she was getting 3 hours without me, and then 4 hours, and then 5 hours. And then I started getting the things, but we were doing things the way our body functions, because the body is made to.
Does it taste like caramel?
Yeah,
Caramel?
that's good.
You heal.
It's matcha.
Right?
It's
Yeah,
like
matcha.
tea.
You heal
Yeah.
itself.
You really like
Every
it?
Like
part
green
of the body
tea?
is made for that.
That's pretty
But
good.
if we don't give the right environment,
Yeah, there's plenty.
they can.
Yeah. Okay.
So
These are the good ones.
Give me a second.
Mom was
Okay.
sick to the point that she couldn't get out of the bed.
Okay.
because it was bad.
Number one is this
Very
one.
weak,
Okay.
Do I have to say
eating
why?
bad.
Okay. If you can. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it
Number
was-
one. No, I'm not gonna say why because I talk too much. Number
My
one.
husband had to go because otherwise I don't know what's gonna happen.
Number
Because
two
she's
for the
not
wifey.
even
The wifey
eating,
one?
he
Okay.
was
Number
long
three.
hours.
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Okay.
That's
And what am I adding?
all right. I'm gonna have to go one here.
Chocolate one.
And then,
Chocolate,
like,
kind of sweet, very nice.
Okay.
Number two would be
brown
the
rice.
husband
one.
Yes.
I got
I kind of want to say three wifey, but like I feel like it's too similar, so I'm gonna go three over here.
Okay.
Really? That's
Great.
These have really moved up in the rankings. They're good.
This, yeah. These are $30 if you get them here.
It smells alcohol too.
You put it right away. You sleep with it. You just change it every 12
What
hours.
does it taste like?
You do hydrotherapy. So I've been doing that. I've been
Dude,
drinking
that's
that
good.
is
I
like
know, they're so
That's
good.
already like the fifth.
Yeah.
that is like nothing I've ever tasted.
You like
Ever.
it?
It was
My husband
that's.
is like, you need to go to
This has got to be
And
number
my
one.
daughter is
It has become number
I
one
think
now.
it might be number one.
Really?
It's just, what else have you ever tasted that tastes like that? It's actually like the taste of alcohol without
gonna
any
be okay.
badness.
Yeah, like I'm not having a burning throat.
Yeah, I mean, you would really. It's almost like a lemon.
Well, that's just like, I mean,
Camilla's reaction though.
Oh, yeah, she's looking in my room. I'm gonna
You like it?
It's
good.
Ooh.
Price tag.
I think the husband one is better.
Husband was better.
Yeah.
You're happy your friends like it?
always busy.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
I'll give her this.
No, that it's just really good.
What is that? I feel like I haven't had that taste.
What is the
Sake.
flavor?
Sake.
That's the flavor of sake. It's like really, really good.
Regular sake doesn't taste like